students, now we will see experiment number 2. Experiment number 2 is in your electrical workshop. Now, in your first experiment, you saw what are the different symbolic representation of electrical equipment that are required in your electrical workshop or in the electrical engineering. Because if you go for a visit, you will see some particular instruments, one particular equipments. But when you are giving the symbolic representation, it is totally different. जैसे इंसुलेटर जो दिखता है वो एक्चुअल में इंसुलेटर वैसा दिखता नहीं है. जैसे इंडक्टर जैसे आप खरीदने आते हैं, if you are buying an inductor or resistor, simply I am giving you one example. If you are buying a resistor, that resistor cost is there, but you can't say that this is resistor because the symbolic representation of resistor is very, very different rather than the actual resistor. Okay, but now in your second experiment, you have to study the audit. You have to do the audit actually of the department, but same condition that you are at your home. So there is one assignment to you, that experiment number 2. You have to calculate your monthly bill. As you already studied tariff, you already studied tariff in your AW, and you have to calculate your monthly bill. So what we have to do in this experiment? So what is the aim? You have to study the preliminary audit of electrical engineering department. That means you have to do the audit of electrical engineering department, and you have to calculate your monthly bill of your electrical engineering department. So basically, we are considering only one lab, okay, for an example, but you have to do total audit of electrical engineering department, okay. But now you are at a home, so just because of lack of time, what we are doing, we are taking one lab only. So suppose this is the electrical workshop. How many equipments are present in electrical workshop lab according to the load? That means you have to calculate first load. After that load, you have to calculate kilowatt hour. Okay, kilowatt hour in the sense energy meter देखा है, घर में अपने energy meter लगा रहता है. In that energy meter, units are there. So first of all, you have to calculate the units, and after that, you have to calculate the bill of the particular lab or particular department or particular house. So what you have to do? You have to calculate your monthly bill at your home. So what you have to consider that? So firstly, what is your objective? Your objective is to conduct an energy audit / survey of electrical apparatus. I will give you this sheet. Okay, to conduct an energy audit, then study of electrical apparatuses. Therefore, we did that first experiment. Okay, then appliances in terms of energy used. Then second objective is to determine the amount of energy used. That means you have to determine the total load that you use, or you can say in another words, how many energy you consumed in a day, or you can say in a week, or you can say in a month. And then after that you have to calculate the bill, electricity bill. Okay. Then you have to interpret the monthly bill, and then after that you have to make a conservation plan कि किस तरह से अपन को आगे करना है. Suppose your bill is very, very high, then what you have to do for cutting out the amount. मतलब अपना बिल कम करना है, तो वो कम करने के लिए क्या करें? So for that you have to go through this experiment, and this experiment is very, very important from audit point of view or calculation point of view. So this is another performance experiment in which you have to audit the lab or you have to audit your house, and after that you have to calculate the load. So calculation part is there. You have to calculate the load, and after calculating load, you have to use the tariff, and after using the tariff, you have to calculate the bill. Okay. So this is the basic aim of your experiment. So our experiment is nothing but to study the preliminary audit of electrical department and calculate the load with respect to your monthly bill. Okay. So this is our aim. Now, for that, if you are considering this is a workshop, if you see this lab, you have to first measure how many load and how many tube lights, how many fans are available in this particular workshop lab, and the consumption of that particular workshop lab in terms of load, in terms of your energy. Okay, so just we are taking one example of workshop lab. Suppose this is, we are considering electrical workshop lab. So in electrical workshop lab, suppose there are 4 fans. Suppose there are 4 fans which works for 2 hours daily. मतलब अपन ने क्या किया, वी आर टेकिंग 4 फैंस, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्कशॉप लैब में 4 फैंस है, एंड दैट 4 फैंस वर्क्स 2 आवर्स डेली. क्योंकि जब आपका एक्सपेरिमेंट रहेगा तभी काम करेगा ऐसा नहीं है ना. तो डेली सपोज वी आर टेकिंग दैट आवर energy consumption is nothing but 2 hours daily. And if we are considering for a month, suppose we are taking 30 days for a month. We are taking 30 days for a month. So what is the wattage of that fan? Each fan is having 75 watt. जो कंजम्पशन है, जो वैटेज है फैन का, वो कितना है? 75 वैट का है. So first of all, you have to calculate the kilowatt hour of 4 fans. So what is the formula for that? You have to multiply this 4. So number of fans are 4. So you have to multiply this 4 into 2 because these 4 fans are working for 2 hours daily. So therefore this is 2 for 2 hours. Then how many days you are considering? You are considering 30 days. So therefore it is multiplied by, again it is multiplied by 30 days. And what is the wattage of that fan? So each fan is having 75 watt. Okay. So therefore you have to multiply all these things. You will get 1800 and you have to convert this into kilowatt hour. So therefore you have to divide this by 1000. So now afterwards, after calculation, you are getting 18 kilowatt hour. So this is the load for only fans. So you are considering 4 fans and the 4 fans load is nothing but 18 kilowatt hour. Similarly, there are 6 tube lights in a workshop lab. So when you are saying there are 6 tube lights, मतलब इसका भी load आपको calculate करना पड़ेगा, कि tube light तो जलेंगे ही जलेंगे. So therefore you have to calculate the load of 6 tube lights. Again these 6 tube lights are working for 2 hours daily. Again these 6 tube lights are working for 2 hours daily. And what is the days we are considering? What are the days? So we are considering 30 days. So for 30 days we are considering fan also, because we are calculating bill for a month, and in a month we are considering 30 days. So therefore every time we are considering 30 days because for calculation of monthly bill. Now 6 tube light, एक tube light का जो wattage है वो कितना है? 40 watt. मतलब number of tube lights are there, that is 6, and how many wattages are there? So each tube light is of 40 watt. मतलब 40 watt का tube light लगा हुआ है. So again in similar way you have to calculate the load of tube light. So number of tube light is 6. Then you have to multiply it by 2 hours because it works for 2 hours daily. Then how many days? For 30 days for a month, that is 30 days. Then into multiplied by watts. How many wattage are there? So it is a 40 watts. So if you are multiplying all these quantities, then you will get 14400. That means 14,400. Okay. And after dividing by 1000, that means in kilowatt hour, you will get 14.4 kilowatt hour. So this load you are getting for 14.4 for your tube light. Then for fan, it is 18 kilowatt hour. Now you have to do the total load. You have to calculate the total load, because if you are considering fans and if you are considering tube lights, now you have to add these two loads. So the total load is 18 plus 14.4. This is the total load of your electrical workshop lab. So therefore the total load is nothing but 32.4 kilowatt hour, or you can say it is terms in units. मतलब आपके जो 32.4 जो आया हुआ है किलोवाट आवर, दिस इज नथिंग बट अ यूनिट्स. क्योंकि आप लोग जब इलेक्ट्रिकल बिल जब आता है आपका इन एनर्जी मीटर, यू आर कंसिडरिंग द बिल, एंड कंसिडरिंग द बिल मीन्स इन द सेंस आपका जो बिल निकलता है वो यूनिट वाइज निकलता है. मतलब आपने इन अ मंथ कितना यूनिट कंज्यूम किया है. तो अभी अपने पास टोटल यूनिट जो इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्कशॉप लैब का है वो कितना हुआ? 32. द यूनिट्स इज 32.4. These are the units which is consumed in a month for electrical workshop lab. Now come towards tariff. Now what is tariff? Again the rate at which electricity gets sold, that is called as a tariff. मतलब कितने रेट पे इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी सेल होती है. जैसे बहुत बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है तो वहां का टैरिफ अलग रहेगा. अगर कंज्यूमर मार्केट प्लेस में है तो वहां का टैरिफ अलग रहेगा. इफ यू आर फ्रॉम होम, दैट मीन्स अपना घर है, सिंपल घर है, तो वहां का टैरिफ अलग रहेगा. So nowadays, if I am considering the tariff of ₹10 per unit, so you have to multiply your units into rate. It is very simple. What you have to do, if you want to calculate your electric bill, that means you have to multiply your units into rate. कौन से रेट कितना टैरिफ लगा है. तो एक यूनिट के लिए रेट है आपका 10. So therefore 10 multiplied by your total units, you will get, that means your 32.4, these are the units, multiplied by 10. So you will get 3 rupees monthly bill जो आएगा वो आएगा 320.4. So आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल पे करना है वर्कशॉप लैब का, तो वो है आपका 320.4. दैट मीन्स रुपीज 320.4 इज द बिल फॉर वर्कशॉप लैब. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल that we are taking for workshop lab. But similarly you have to calculate your electrical bill at your home. What you have to do, you have to make an audit of your home. That means you have to find out how many tube lights, how many lamps, or you can say हर घर में कुछ नया रहता है. So refrigerator load is there, then your TV load is there. So you have to club that load, total load. You have to find out first total units, as you already did in your AEE syllabus, that means in tariff. So now these are the calculations are with you. So in this way you have to calculate your household appliances load. After that you have to make a total load, and after that suppose you are considering a tariff of ₹10, then you can calculate your previous bill. मतलब जो next month का बिल आना है आपका, वो आप लोग easily calculate कर सकते हैं. बस उसके लिए क्या करना है आपको, just you have to calculate your total load, that means including fan, fridge, TV, lights, everything जो भी आपके घर में यूज होता है, कितने घंटे के लिए यूज होता है, ये सब चीजें कैलकुलेट करने के बाद you have to just take your energy meter, see how many units are there, total कितने units है, and then you have to apply 10 rupees or 11 rupees or 9 rupees as per your requirement. जैसे वो आपके घर के तरफ जो भी यूनिट पर आज का चल रहा है उस हिसाब से आपको करके now you have to calculate the. So this is your second experiment in which you have to study the audit of your lab or department, or you can say your house, and calculation of load and bill.